there. Are you looking for something that's going to jazz up your table a little bit? Is going to make your table settings look just a little bit nicer? Well, look no farther than here. My name is Mary Beth, and I am here to tell you about this Asian style table runner so that you can make a more informed buying decision. I'd also like to thank the brand that sent this to me. Now, I think that this table runner is so pretty. And I can just imagine like sitting at my table and actually eating like sushi and setting up a really beautiful tablescape and using this table runner. You can use this on your table for dining. You could also use it if you wanted to on like a sideboard or a side table where you were having a buffet and you were like serving your food. You could use this. It would be super, super pretty. It is 72 inches long and it is 14 inches wide. So it is going to be like the perfect thing just to go down the center of your table. It is made out of cotton linen material, and it actually repels water. So it is going to be really great for you to have on your table. It's stain resistant. It's machine washable, so you can throw it in the wash when you're done with it in case you get something on it. Super, super easy to use. But I want to show you what it looks like because it is so pretty. So it is just this plain green on one end. And then as you open it up, it has these gorgeous lotus flowers on it. So it is gonna be so pretty on your table and on your tablescape. I am going to take you over to my table. I'm gonna put this on and show you exactly how it looks once you have it put on your table. And here we go. I put the table runner on this table and it looks absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to use this to entertain. So if you're looking for a beautiful table runner for your table, definitely grab this one.